Senator, New Jersey is one of only 9 states with 1 million or more seniors, and that number is expected to grow to 1.8 million seniors by 2028. Are you in favor of reauthorizing the Older Americans Act and using it to fund, in the absence of earmarks, naturally occurring retirement communities and aging-in-place programs?
I appreciate the question. And the answer is yes, I'm for the reauthorization. I believe very strongly, and I think about my mother's own life on many of these issues, on the Older Americans Act. I think about it in the context of Medicare and Social Security. She worked in the factories of New Jersey as a seamstress. She worked her finger to the bone to get me to be the first in my family to go to college. She, in the twilight of her life, as she was struggling against the terrible disease of Alzheimer's, and we lost her 3 years ago this month. She would not have lived with the dignity that she deserved in the twilight of her life, but for Medicare as her health care security, but for Social Security as her foundation of her retirement security, and for my sister and I were able to contribute to her at the same time that we were putting our kids through college and these intergenerational choices and challenges we all have. The Older Americans Act is a big part of helping seniors live with the dignity that they deserve. Naturally occurring retirement communities is something that I have worked with this federation and others in supporting during the earmark process, which I personally believe should be open to members of Congress, because an earmark is just taking that which is going to be in the federal budget no matter what, and saying that the legislative branch has a better knowledge of their state as to how to use some of those funds. And New York's are an example of that, and we were very successful. But in the absence of that, I certainly would look for a formula-driven opportunity to achieve the same goal. I think it's both greater dignity and also saves money.